So where are you selling your product? Jack and I were just walking past Basingstoke Market and we were inspired to do this video for you. Are you going to where your customers are and selling to them? Shouting to the passers-by, pitching your product and getting out there. How much energy are you putting in selling your product or service? Now, I don't know if what you've got should be sold on a market, but the principle is the same. Go to where the audience is and pitch it and sell it. Go to the networking meeting, go to the market, go to the craft fair, go and sell what you're doing. So Jack and I wanted to do this video. I would love to set you a challenge to get out there this week coming and sell your product or service to real life customers.